皆さん、Doと Make を単にする、作るとだけ知っていると、日常生活で様々な表現を使うのに苦労するかもしれません。今日はクイズと例文を通じて、この2つの単語の違いと使い方を学びましょう。まず Do は行動、作業、または日常的な活動を表します。結果よりも、行為そのものに焦点を当てています。例えば、宿題をする、Do homework、皿洗いをする、Do the dish、運動をする、Do exercise があります。Do が入った表現を見てみましょう。
Did you do your exercises today?
今日は運動しましたか？
So, who's gonna do the cooking?
それで、誰が料理をするんですか？
He's doing a report on bees for school.
彼は学校の課題で蜂についてのレポートを書いています。見ましたか？ Do は主に何かの行為や作業を行うときに使われます。次に Make は結果物の作成、創造、または生産を表します。何かを作り出したり、結果を生む場面で使われます。例えば、決定を下す、Make a decision、友達を作る、Make friends、昼食を準備する、Make lunch があります。Make を使う表現を見てみましょう。
I have a confession to make.
告白があります。
Before I make a decision, I'll let you know.
決定を下す前にお知らせします。
You have to spend money to make money.
お金を稼ぐにはお金を使わなければなりません。ここで見るように、Make は何かを想像したり、作り出すときによく使われます。ここからは Do と Make を使った実生活の英語表現をクイズと例文で見てみましょう。
I need to do the laundry.
I need to do the laundry.
Can you do me a favor?
Can you do me a favor?
Did you do your homework?
Did you do your homework?
Did you do your workout today?
Did you do your workout today?
I made a decision.
I made a decision.
I'll make lunch.
I'll make lunch.
She makes all the plans.
She makes all the plans.
He made a mistake at work today.
He made a mistake at work today.
Let's make dinner together.
Let's make dinner together.
She made a cake for my birthday.
She made a cake for my birthday.
I made a cup of tea.
I made a cup of tea.
I made a sandwich for lunch.
I made a sandwich for lunch.
I thought I could make a difference.
I thought I could make a difference.
Your smile always makes me happy.
Your smile always makes me happy.
Traveling makes me excited.
Traveling makes me excited.
I want to make an apology for my mistake.
I want to make an apology for my mistake.
Don't make excuses.
Don't make excuses.
He made a lot of money from his business.
He made a lot of money from his business.
You need to make an effort to achieve your goals.
You need to make an effort to achieve your goals.
Don't make noise in the library.
Don't make noise in the library.
Don't make trouble for your parents.
Don't make trouble for your parents.
I need to make a phone call.
I need to make a phone call.
I made a reservation at the restaurant.
I made a reservation at the restaurant.
Can you make a recommendation for a good book?
Can you make a recommendation for a good book?
Can I make a suggestion?
Can I make a suggestion?
まとめです。Do と Make の違いのポイントは、Do は行為や繰り返し行われる日常的な活動に使います。宿題をする。Do homework。皿洗いをする。Do the dish。運動をする。Do exercise があります。Make は何かを作り出す、または結果を生む場面で使います。決定を下す。Make a decision。友達を作る。Make friends。昼食を準備する。Make lunch をよく使う表現です。これら2つの違いを理解し、様々な例文を練習することで自然な英語表現が身につきます。